Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove or delete your Google Authenticator application from your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete Google Authenticator, you can directly do this by selecting your application into this home page at first, and after that this uninstall button will automatically appear into here. But if this method is not working into yours, you should open your Play Store application at first. Now after opening Play Store, you just simply have to search for Google Authenticator and this Google Authenticator app will appear. And then you just simply have to tap into this uninstall button and click to uninstall in order to confirm the deletion. Then after tapping into uninstall button, your Google Authenticator will successfully be uninstalled or deleted from your mobile phone. This way you can easily delete or uninstall your Google Authenticator from your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.